guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on the Swiss Army knife original. I'll bring it in view here. So this is one of the original Swiss Army knives. It's the tiny pocket keychain version. Has a blade, nail file, little screwdriver, scissors, tweezers, and toothpick. I got a whole bunch of these in the TSA auction, so it equaled out, like 50 cents a piece. So they're great little knives for like throw away. Keep on your keychain. If you break it, you break it. Not too worried about it. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on hard use. I saw a video the other day that someone posted, and they said they hard use this knife. They, beat it up. They open boxes with it. They do all this type of stuff. It looked like it had barely been used, but who knows? They might have. Hard to say. But anyway, I just wanted to do a true hard use video on this knife and see what it can take. That is not what it did. This is what the SE4 did. Let's start fresh. Let's see what it does. It's actually doing better than I thought it would already. And you're limited by the depth of the blade as far as notching it out, because you break even with the wood. Make sure I'm still in focus there. So we'll do what we can here though. But like I said, I gotta say, got my thumb there. I am actually really impressed with this. Most of all, the blade hasn't snapped yet. I'm going to flip this over, work from the back a little bit. Get two opposite sides of it. It broke where I got the SE through it. And this one, it's split. I don't know if it's going to break. We'll see. But we're chopping pieces out of it. So keep at it until the stick breaks or the knife breaks, one or the other. It's far surpassed my expectations already. And the stick broke. So, but anyway, you can see it did pretty decent. Definitely surpassed my expectations. I'm going to grab another stick here. And let's see how it does. This stick was cut down just about 2 days ago. Let's try it again here on this one. Cut this down. So much poison ivy junk out here. Alright, let's go back at it. It's still in view there. Yep. So it has far surpassed my expectations. Like I said, it's going to work my way around this stick. This little tree is about 2 thumb widths thick. Like I said, this was cut down just 2 or 3 days ago when we went through and brush hogged. So it is actually pretty tough still. Let's keep rotating this. Actually doing pretty good. So anyway, I'm not gonna put you through the pain and torture of watching this whole video, but as you can see, I'm beating the snot out of this stick and we're making pretty good progress. Oh, slow, but progress. So anyway, that is the progress that we made on this Swiss Army knife, and it looks like it actually broke the pin, the rivet that goes through and sticks on each side of the inner scales there, the metal. I think it just broke that pin because this came out intact. So surprisingly, the blade is perfectly straight, and it is razor sharp. Let's see if I can, oh, wrong way. Yeah, it's a little bit of shaving, not too good, but yep, it's razor sharp. And kill a spider here. Like I said, it's a good knife. If you had to depend on this for your life, I don't know that I would. It would be better than nothing, that's for sure. This other one just popped out, so yeah, it was that rivet that broke. Everything was popping out of this. Scissors still work, so I'm going to use that for a bit longer. So anyway, just want to make a quick video. If you have any questions, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.